Hello everyone, how are you all? I know that you all must be fine because there is outstanding session in today's class. And there is going to be, suspense in this classroom. Let's see what happens, what is just gonna come out. So first of all, let me invite Nigam. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Nigam के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Everybody. Yes. And let us invite Trisa. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Trisa के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And Sania, let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Sania. So you just all three have to tell about, it is role play class in today's class.
Okay.
There is role play class. One role is just gonna be played by these all three people. So let's see what is just gonna happen.
Everyone, how are you all?
Fine.
That's great. So firstly, I would like to give my small introduction. So hello all my standing by with us, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having type of personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So as we know, today is role play class, and I know you will be excited for seeing the role play. What is gonna happen in this role play? So wait and watch. So I'm gonna do the role of daughter, both of them. So Teresa.
So hello everyone, this is me Trisha Vani. And today is the role play class, and my role is his wife, her mother. So let's see.
Hello ladies and gentlemen and respectful teachers and all my dear friends. This is me Nigam in front of you all. First of all, I would like to thank to my both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience who all are present over here, as well as I would like to thank you so much for giving me your precious and valuable time. Today I am very happy. Today I am feeling over the moon because today I am going to the role of father. I am the daddy of her and she is my daughter. You can see everybody, she is my daughter. So I am feeling over the moon. After then you would be also happy. So let's get started.
Sania, give me a phone.
Wait, mama. Where is phone? Just
Thank you. So ringtone baza.
Who is calling me? Oh, my Gia is calling me, right? Yeah, I should pick up a call. Yeah, what happens? Why did you call me?
Where are you?
Right now I am busy in office, but I am just about to come.
Okay, come fast.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. I'm just coming. Wait.
Just dinner is going cool. Come.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm just coming. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
mama.
Sorry. You are studying, huh? Why you need phone?
Yeah, I'm studying, but some question that I am not able to understand. So by this phone, I can understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, it's like I like actress life and I wanna be actress. But what they wanna make me a doctor? What is this? I don't wanna be.
Oh, I'm very tired. Oh my God. Please bring one glass of water for me. I'm very tired.
Okay, I'm coming.
Need something else?
Yeah, please bring one cup of tea for me, please, because I'm very thirsty. Because
Okay,
I'm very tired.
Take it this newspaper.
Yes, yeah. My God, Gia, see this.
What?
Our neighbor, daughter has become a doctor. She is very famous and brilliant doctor. Right now, she has, saved the life of one people. I'm very happy that.
You don't worry.
Oh my God.
Our daughter also becomes something in their life. He become also doctor because she also preparing a doctor.
Yeah.
So they also become.
Yeah, you're saying
Don't-
absolutely
don't-
right.
yeah. Okay. Let's go to there and say to congratulation him.
Oh my God. Yeah, you're saying right. I should say to her, congratulations.
Yes.
Congratulations. You have become a doctor. I'm very happy today.
will study this book. I have to prepare this acting for my, like, I have to go. Oh my god. Tomorrow is my entrance exam, and as well my acting audition also is there. I don't want to give the entrance exam. I want to give my audition because I'm preparing for a long time for my acting skills, for showing my acting skills. I want to be an actress, and of course I will go in actress line. So I don't listen to my parents. They are forcing me since my childhood. They are saying I will make you doctor. I will make you doctor. Today it's gonna over. I will talk to my parents. I don't want to be a doctor.
Hello, beta.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Actually, Mama, I said you are looking so beautiful today.
Why are you buttering me? You want something?
No, I don't want something. You are giving me everything. Why I can say to you I want something?
I know you, baby. I know you, baby. I know you. You are say something with me because you need some. Tell me, I give you.
Actually, I am saying that.
How are you going for studying? Nowadays, you are doing study properly or not?
Yeah,
he's going good.
He's
Yeah,
doing
amazing.
properly study.
Yeah. Your exam is also about to come, right?
Yeah.
You are saying that tomorrow is my exam and
Yeah,
you
tomorrow
should,
is your
like, you should do practice right now. What are you doing? Why are you wasting your time? You should just practice of your exam.
Father, just I wanna talk something. That's why I came here.
What the topic regarding something very important?
It's very important for my life. It's my decision of my life, and I wanna take my decision by myself. So I think I wanna take your suggestion also. So please support me, and please firstly listen to me carefully. Don't interrupt me, father, please, and mother, please.
Yeah.
Actually, as you know, tomorrow is my entrance exam.
Yes.
And there is also audition of actress.
Yeah.
What are you talking?
Mama, audition of actress.
Do you think you become actor?
Mama, listen to me. Literally,
How I listen to you, Sania? You are talking rubbish. Tomorrow is your exam, and you are today sitting here and saying to I want to become a actor.
Mama, but
Actress.
I never practice of my exam. Entrance exam never practice. Only I was printed to do this. I was not studying.
So you are making our fool.
So what can I do, Mama? You were not listen to me. My father was not listen to me.
This is your fault. Give me your phone.
Mama, no! Give me your phone!
Shut your mouth.
Please give me your phone.
Why both are you fighting? What happened?
I did not listen to anything. Since my childhood, everything I listen. Like what?
Because I am giving you food, you are listen to me.
So what? You give me what? You give me food, so it doesn't mean like I'm your property. You will what you will say, I will listen. No, Mama. It's my life.
Sania, you know some children are begging in this road, and you have nice life. You are destroying that.
I'm not.
Are you mad, Sania?
Mother, please listen to me. Since my childhood, but like you born me. You say to say to him father. I say to him father. You said
What?
say to him brother.
He's your
I said
father,
father. Listen, you said say to her brother. I said brother. You said wear this cloth. I wear this cloth. You said like sit here. You said go there. I go there. Since my child, I am not him. I don't know my right. I don't have my right.
I don't give you anything. In your age, who have like this much expensive phone? Who have? I give you everything, Sania. You are preparing like a selfish. You are becoming selfish.
I'm not selfish, Mama.
You are.
Not.
You are.
Not I. Listen, you are saying to me. You are saying to me right now. You are giving me food, cloth, for leaving the house.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Every parents give to their children.
Every parents are not like me, Sania.
Their child.
No,
They
every
pressurize
parents.
me.
What are
Father has
pressurize you?
pressurized me. Then you have to become.
This is your future, nothing else. We are not in like many parents are get married 18 साल की होती नहीं उसे शादी करवा देते ऐसे थोड़ा करवा रहे हम तेरी.
But Mama, why are you doing me like this? With me only, Mama.
I know you are giving me food. You are giving me house for living. I know, but it doesn't mean I don't have my right, Mama. What are you saying? What I do? You said me sit here. I sit here. You said me to read this book. I read this book. You said me to wear this cloth. I wear this cloth. But it's my life. I wanna be an actress. But you don't.
Everyone can't become everything. Everyone can't become there. You know, in industry, what happened? What happened? What has happened? Everyone use you. No, everyone use you and throw you.
You have this kind of mentality.
You don't know about that, Sanya. You are 18-year child. Okay, you don't have that rights.
Now you
See,
you beat me.
see.
Today you beat me, right?
I
You
slapped you.
slapped me, Mama.
See, I really want to be you some future in your life. I'm not like that mother. If daughter become a 18, I get married to him. I'm not doing that, Beba. I'm not doing that. I'm future for you. Doctor is not nothing wrong. You're helping lots of people. In acting field, no one can become Sanya. If you are actor child, you can become. If you have lots of money, you can become. But in single, if you are nothing, you're middle class family, and you go and doing something, so you are thinking you have become actor. Sanya is not. Is only this is stupid dreams.
It's Mama, for you it's a stupid dream. You are not able to complete your dream, so you are
not earning with 1 rupee, Sanya. How do you know?
you are not dreaming, na?
Yeah. I am.
You are also selfish, Mama. You are also selfish.
I am.
I see by my eyes that parents also become selfish for their self.
No,
you
for
are
me.
saying.
I'm not saying to become doctor for me. I say to you for your career. Acting is nothing.
For you, Mama, you are
Not.
for you.
You are not giving me anything.
It's not my
Sanya.
dream. It's not my dream.
It's your dream. What care? Who cares?
It's your dream, Mama, and you are saying
Yeah.
it's your dream.
My parents are not becoming me.
Listen to me. What happened? Why are you all fighting? What happened? Why are you all?
Your daughter want to become an actor because his father is a very
Why do you want
actress.
to become an actress? What happened? I want to make you become a doctor and you are saying actor? How can you say? I will not let you to become a actor, actress. Did you get or not? How can you say?
Father, now listen to me carefully. You both were, since my childhood, you both were making me like this. I don't have any right because I'm a girl. What you wanna say, I do. Even I did. But now it's right to take my decision, and I wanna take my decision by myself. And it's my dream since my childhood. I always surreptitiously to you from you. I was doing acting. I was doing and you can see my acting skills. Like
You are
ever.
saying you are
Listen,
Are you
listen,
stupid?
you ever. I was making fool you. I'm making fool, and you are thinking I'm studying this book
Because I am
You
not-
were thinking,
I'm not-
but I was not studying. I was not studying.
I
Mama
give
and
you freedom.
Papa.
I give
Are you
freedom.
stupid? Are you
That's not
crazy?
freedom for me.
Oh really?
Oh my God.
You are going with the out and you are saying you
Do
are
you
not
know?
freedom with you.
It's not freedom.
Joya,
Mama.
Jia,
You are saying to go.
Jia.
You are saying to me sit here. You are saying to me there. This is not a
Jia,
freedom.
Jia.
Freedom is that if you will, you
Make me
will
understand.
give
Let me
you
make-
will.
make her
If you say to
understand.
me like what you want to be that.
Yeah, I am fed of you. With you.
You know, are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you mental? I wanted to let you become a doctor. When someone becomes doctor, I feel over the moon. I feel tickle pink. Do you know? And you are saying again and again that I want to become an actress. I want to become an actress. How much money would you earn in actress? Could you just tell me? You can in the actress there is nothing. Why do you want to become an actress? I don't know. Oh God! Oh my God! Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you mental? I'm not
I don't
getting
wanna
anything.
say wrong
I'm very
thing to you.
confused.
Father, I don't wanna say wrong thing to both of you, but you wanna making me like this that I will say wrong thing to you. Literally, you both were not. Literally, you are fool because you are not understanding me.
You are saying your
You want me, but you are not understanding me, father, mother.
My God.
Really? Really?
I'm very confused. What are you saying again and again?
What you want? What you wanna, mama? What you wanna?
You are behaving like cheapest. Really, you're behaving like that.
You are seeing in your eyes. I'm not behaving like this.
You are.
I'm not because today you slapped me.
Not getting
Since my
anything.
childhood, you not beaten me, and
getting-
today you slapped me.
Yeah.
Because you are selfish, mama. You are selfish, mama.
In childhood, every mother
Sonia.
are beating him, and I'm not beating you. I give you everything. You are a girl. That's also I give you every right. You don't think that. You didn't.
Yeah,
You are
yeah.
selfish.
I did hard work for your
Mama,
life.
you are selfish. What do you give me, mama? Tell
I
me.
did hard work.
What? What you don't have? Every parents give to their child. Every parents give to their child. You have to give me. You have to give me. You have.
You know your friend. You know your friend.
You're living here because of me. I used to do hard work. I used to do hard
What
work
you
in the
wanna?
summer.
What you wanna?
I used to do hard work in the winter.
Listen, father and mother.
Oh my God.
What you wanna? I give the entrance exam. When I got failed, I do suicide. Do you wanna this? Do you wanna this, father?
You can agree.
Yes, you wanna. I'm going to father and mother. Because when you children, you wanna blame me.
My God, what is happening in
You
this?
are doing
I don't know. I'm not
I
getting
give you
anything.
permission. I give you. Yeah,
my
I give you
God.
permission. Go, but you don't take single penny. Go and earn. Go. If any director views and throw na, that time you feel the art.
You are challenging me, ma.
Yeah,
You are na.
you. I am
You are na.
challenging you.
I will not
challenging you.
I will not live in this house. I'm leaving this house.
Leave it.
You can live it. It's your choice.
Said,
Do you know?
I don't give you any single penny.
क्या हो गया? लेके जाना इसको उठा दो। Dad, what happened? Dad, what happened to you? Mama, just bring water. Just bring water.
This is your fault.
Mama, why? You're fighting. Just go and bring water. Father, what happened? Father. 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 What happened, father? Mom, please call to the doctor.
It's a panic attack.
Panic attack? Are you happy?
अरे इसको उठा के रख दो भैया, उठा के रख दो।
क्या करूं? अरे हाथ पकड़ के हाथ देखती हूँ।
This is your fault, baby.
कोई नहीं गया स्वामी ने कुछ दे दिया so किसी इंजेक्शन so
Sir, आप उठा के रख सकते हैं?
बहुत भारी, सही बहुत भारी इंसान।
This is your fault, Sanya.
Not my fault.
क्या रीजन
What is the reason? What is the reason?
Depression. Because day by day is a fight so
Are you not aroused?
I'm your neighbor. I'm your neighbor.
पानी।
Water. Sanya, give me water. This is your fault, Sanya. This is your fault. You want to become actor? Go away. Your dad is in panic attack. Do you understand?
आप बोलना कि अब तुम मत जाओ, तुम्हारे पापा ये कहते हैं, तो आप रिक्वेस्ट करो।
Oh my God, what happened with me? What
दोबारा
happened?
टकरा सकता है ना अगर मैं चली
Oh my
गई।
God.
I requesting you, Sanya, please. Please. Don't become like this. Don't become selfish. Please, Sanya, I'm requesting you.
Mama, listen. always listen to you, but now it's my decision. Take my decision. So I will not listen. I will not.
Selfish, Sanya. You leave your father.
Not becoming, Mama.
You're leaving your father?
Mama, you know, it's happening just because of him, just because of father, not me.
Sanya, I didn't think you are like this.
Mama, because no one is understanding me, not you, not my father.
But it's health problem, Sanya.
So what can I do, Mama? What can I do? Am I doctor? No, na?
You're not.
What is her opinion right now? Could you just tell me?
Father, just go and sit.
No.
Rest.
First of all, let me know that what is your opinion? Have you changed your dream or not?
Also want to become a
What are you saying? Please try to understand. Because of your dream, you know, I cannot live properly. Again, I will be die.
If you both were not understanding me, so why should I listen to you?
Oh my God.
Don't do this. I am irritated
God.
with you.
I'm leaving this house. Just I don't wanna because you are not understanding me. So why should I listen to you? I'm leaving this house.
क्या यार पागल कर दी है।
You all have unique opinions. You all. We're actors. You.
Yes, sir.
You are an actor. Yeah, I तो नहीं करे होगा. So guys, it was literally nice, amazing, tremendous, or outstanding. Listen, everyone. They all had performed their role in a better way, in a marvelous way, in a spectacular, splendiferous way. The way they all performed, the way they act, you know, it was literally marvelous. The way they performed here on the stage, you know, guys, it is not very easy to perform on the stage. On the spot, randomly, they were given a task for performing here, and they just did it in a better way. It was literally outstanding, or it was just an act for generating more confidence inside of them, so that they could generate more confidence inside of them, and they could act, or they could become better. So, how was your experience? Everybody, do let viewers know. Or how did you feel while you were performing here? Like, Sanya, what is your experience?
It was literally outstanding because I never expect that I will do the daughter role, but it was so outstanding because I get experience of this as well. Like for our right, like every child, like they sacrifice their dreams for their parents. Like many parents, they do with their child like these all things. So I think that for our right, we should fight to our parents. We should it's our right, it's our decision how to take our decision. If we are getting mature, so we have to take our decision by ourselves. So it was so good, and it was so like I get more experience from this role play.
What about you? What was your
Sir,
your
really it was very amazing, sir. It was super realistic and very lows, yeah.
okay, just see there.
Because in this way, we are developing our confidence level. In this way, we are developing our confidence level. We are learning so many things as Suraj ki safety. So I would like to say that this role play was amazing, fantastic. This role play was amazing, fantastic, remarkable, outstanding for all of us. And I could have become Papa today. I could have become Daddy today. But I will become in my generation. But right now, I have become a daddy, and I have one children. I have one daughter as well.
I have taken.
Yeah, I have taken the experience that how to manage the girl and how to manage the daughter. Now, but everybody, I would like to suggest you all, when I am just trying to making understand to my daughter, but my daughter is not trying to understand. My daughter should be understand. So that's it. You have been a great spectators, audience of the day. Bye bye, Tata. See you tomorrow.
Experience.
Yeah, this is the great experience in this role play. Really, in real life, like
Amazing.
Every children also need understand their parents, because like you leave your parents, that's not good. And in role play, this is the meaning. Some 3 stories, like one father, one mother, one daughter, and they're their opinions. And I think the children don't become a selfish. Be what your parents say, become that. That's it.
Nice. Okay, what about your experience? What would you like to say?
Excellent.
It was nice.
Nice.
Guys, they all like a kid in a candy store, chapter bits, article pink. They all were having a whale of a time. They all enjoyed, relished, and all spectators who are sitting backside of the classroom, they all must have enjoyed. Did you all? I know that you all must have enjoyed or relished your class. Or you viewers must be enjoying also while watching this video. So guys, if you want to join us, you can also join us. So
Like, share,
like,
subscribe, and share.
and be the part of
Surya